Welcome to another episode of Jumping in the Pot. I'm your host, Marcia, and today this is what's jumping in my pot. Twice baked mashed potatoes. And these are the ingredients that we're going to be using. This is the potatoes in this pot here. I've already boiled them. Parsley, onions and scallions, bacon, sour cream, butter, milk, garlic powder, black pepper, salt, and grated cheddar cheese. This is the first thing we're going to do. I'm going to drain off the water from the potatoes. I'm going to put the potatoes in this bowl here. You see? I have a potato masher, and I'm going to mash the potatoes. I've already mashed the potatoes. You see? Okay. The next step is we add the onions and parsley and scallions. The sour cream. The bacon. The butter. The milk. And the cheddar cheese. Garlic powder. The black pepper. And the salt. We mix up everything in the bowl together. All the ingredients we mix. Now, after we mix up everything together, I have here a baking pan that I'm going to bake it in. I've buttered the pan, and now we're going to put the mixture into the pan. We spread it out evenly in the pan. Roll in the sink. This is it. And the next step is, I have some cheese and a grater. We grate some cheese on the top of the twice baked mashed potatoes. See the cheese? All jumping on top of the mashed potatoes. Look at it. Okay, that's good. Now the next thing is we turn on the oven at 350 degrees and we bake the twice baked mashed potatoes in the oven for 30 to 35 minutes. I've just taken the twice baked mashed potatoes out of the oven. Let's see. Let me let you see. See? See how it came out? Now, there you have it. Twice baked mashed potatoes. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, and share. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. And I will see you in another video. Bye.